Normandy, France, birthplace of premium butter.
Utilizing modern hygienic equipment, the fresh milk is immediately cooled to 4 degrees Celsius, preserving quality and flavor for premium production. This controlled fermentation process develops the tangy flavor compounds and complex aromatics essential for European-style cultured butter.
This is living fermentation, lactic acid bacteria converting lactose, creating the distinctive, complex.
As the buttermilk drains, the butter grains are washed with cold water. This crucial step prevents spoilage and extends shelf life.
Washing continues until the water runs completely clear. This traditional technique ensures pure flavor and extended shelf life.
Varieties: cultured, salted, herb, truffle.
Quality testing is crucial. We analyze fat content, moisture, and pH levels to ensure consistency across every single batch produced.
Cold chain, 2 to 4 degrees Celsius throughout distribution.
Recognized immediately by its color, texture, and aroma, this quality is fundamental to Michelin-level cuisine. Portioning must be exact. Whether it's for a high-fat sauce or a delicate pastry, consistency is key to the final product. This technique, known as mounting the butter, relies on high-fat cultured butter for that perfect, glossy finish. Here, the premium butter isn't just flavor, it's texture. Melting over the hot protein, it creates that perfect luster and releases the final layer of aroma.
The 18% butter fat is crucial for the pastry.
We'll customize the cultures and salt levels to your exact specifications.
That partnership approach is why we work with you.
is a seasonal profile of spring butter. Its pale golden color comes from lower carotenoid levels in
Summer butter achieves its peak flavor and vibrant golden color when cows graze on lush, diverse pastures.
Our comprehensive portfolio includes unsalted cultured, salted, and unique compound butters.
Each specialized equipment analyzes key performance characteristics.
Flavor complexity is key here. The sweet cream is fine, but the premium sample has a nuanced, cultured tang that justifies the cost. A direct connection from our farms ensures unparalleled quality, maintaining the cold chain from the creamery to the moment it reaches the chef.
Feel the consistency. That pliability is what we look for when we talk about lamination quality. And to maintain that, we must ensure the temperature stays consistent during storage. Exactly right.
Look at that nappe consistency.
Utilizing the residual heat of the steak, the compound butter melts slowly, creating a glossy coating that locks in moisture and enhances the flavor profile.
As premium butter heats, the Maillard reaction begins. Milk solids toast, developing a complex.
The key to butter basting is the continuous application of foaming butter, building that rich golden crust and unparalleled depth of flavor.
The key to perfect ghee is the gentle skimming of the separating milk solids. This clarification process yields a
Clarified butter, pure butter fat with a high smoke point of 250 degrees Celsius, enabling high.
The plasticity is excellent, but for the laminated dough, we need a slightly lower melting point.
Understood. We can adjust the churning temperature to accommodate that specific need.
It is this dedication to quality, This preservation of centuries-old craft that ensures this living...
Our dedication to these traditional methods is what makes our butter a premium product.